Guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can reset the service indicator of an Audi A3. This one comes from 2020 and this is the newer model, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at the channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars, some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, to reset this car you need to go to the new MMI system over here. Press the home button, then find the car over here. Go to settings and service area. Find the service intervals, and this is the button on how to reset this car. Press this, and you'll see you'll need to confirm with another yes, and when you press that you'll see that the indicator jumps back to 15,000 kilometers or 20,000 kilometers, depends on the car itself. That was it for this video. I want to thank you for watching our videos and hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.